What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be trying out the e.l.f. glitters. What's gold is glitters, right? The new loose glitters, as well as the new what are they called? The Prismatic glow lip glosses. So if you want to see what they're all about and how I got this beautifying look, then keep watching and find out. Just make sure they're ruse. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the all new e.l.f. glitters. They have loose glitters, as well as these prismatic lip glosses. I believe there's 4 colors in each collection, and I have a few of each here, so we're going to do some swatches and so on and see if they are really worth it or if they're a flop. So before we get started, let me just say, if you are new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen. Glad you could make it. And if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? Glad you made it back. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified when I post. You know, this is what I do for a living, 24/7. I live and breathe this channel. So I'm still trying to get to that 1K so that I can get monetized. So help a girl out and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Also, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoy this, because it does really help me out. So let's jump right in to the video. Ooh, I don't know where. Have there be volume on the TV. Okay, so let's get started. Let us do it. Alright, so I'm going to start with, I did already put one of the glitters on so you can see how it looks and to save a little time, but this is, what shade is this? This is Bronze Comet. So it is a bronze color, but as you see, with a brown shadow down below. It looks like brown on brown. So it really is quite a beautiful, you don't see too many darker glitters other than black or whatever, but I really like how this one is looking. So if you want to do a monochromatic brown moment, quick and simple and out the door, and with a little bit of a bling, you got it. So that's that one, and they are very finely milled. But let me read you the back of the box, which I thought was kind of comical. Okay. So it says, this fine light catching glitter adds a touch of sparkle and glam to any makeup look. Ideal for the face, body, or hair. Use with e.l.f. glitter primer for a long-lasting hold, which I did use on my eyes today, on top of the brown shadow, which I also used my Holy Smokes e.l.f. palette to achieve this look, just so you know. And the directions, it says, dip the e.l.f. silicone glitter applicator into glitter and apply to desired area of the face or body. Warning, not for use in eye area. So these are not meant for the eye area, but I think they have to say things like that to prevent you from, you know, to save them from being sued. But pretty much any glitter you buy anymore, it ends up on your eye, at least in my house. Any glitter I buy ends up on my eyes, my face, my everywhere. So I don't know, if you're like me, then same. So you can't sue if you use it on your eyes. That's basically what it boils down to. So just be responsible. Don't be an idiot using glitter where it doesn't belong. And if you do and you get some sort of freak accident, it's on you. It's basically what it boils down to. Okay, so this is the little packaging that it comes in. And I got 2 of the 4 shades that they had. This one looked really beautiful, and this is Milky Way. And like I said, ooh, this one was Bronze Comet. I'm going to show you what it looks like on Finger. It's really quite beautiful and eye-catching. And that's what it looks like. And I did use the e.l.f. glitter primer / glue on my eyelid, which comes in a tube like this for $2. So, I mean, a dab will do ya, and it's really pretty. So again, they only have 4 colors to start out, but the first 2 that they have are incredibly beautiful. Here is the Milky Way one, and we'll swatch that on my hand. And again, it's just loose glitter, so wherever you put it, you know, you get the drift. If you want it to adhere, you need to put something to hold it down and for it to stick to, but it is very beautiful. Okay, so now let's move on to the lips. Now I have reviewed the other forms of glitter that e.l.f. has, like the pop of whatever, the gel glitters, which these are just glitter that you don't need to use glue to adhere it down because it's already in something to dry down and give you that pop of glitter. These weren't the greatest on your eyes themselves, but if you use their glitter primer and loose glitter, no problems whatsoever. I will link the video below where I reviewed those pop of glitter gels as well as the glitter liners. So yeah, those will be below. So Milky Way, and the other brown one was that Bronze Comet. Okay, so that's what's on my eyelid, Bronze Comet. And I also have from the Holy Smokes palette, I used, sorry, let's put it right side up. That is my transition, and that, yeah, so transition, and then crease and lid. And then, oh, I'm sorry. And then, yeah, this one right here, this dark blue, is the one underneath. Okay, so moving right along, let's do the lips. So you know, I did use the e.l.f. lip exfoliator in brown sugar, their lip exfoliator stick, to get rid of any dry skin. That's why my lips are a little bit red right now. They've just been scrubbity-dubbitied. And we're going to start off with, let's go from darkest to lightest, because I am going to leave the lightest one on over a lipstick. We're going to put these on bare skin, and then the last one I'm going to put on over a nude lip to make this look complete. So the back of the box says, a prismatic lightweight lip gloss that adds dimension. This lip gloss delivers a wash of shimmer with a high shine finish. Wear alone or on top of your favorite e.l.f. lipstick, enriched with vitamin E to nourish and condition lips. Directions: apply an even layer to lips, building to desired intensity. And this one is called Blue Onyx. Again, I believe that there are 4 shades in this. It seems to be e.l.f.'s MO is to come out with 4 shades from the get-go, and then build from there if they feel the necessity. So, comes in here, we pop it out. This is Blue Onyx, which looks like a black with, I believe, blue glitter particles in it. So, let's see what it do by itself. Oh, by the way, here's what the doe foot looks like. It's one of those flat ones. Not complaining, I'm just showing. Okay, so. So the gloss itself is not bad on a color pigment level. It looks very dark, like black. Like they're going for a black pigment. And it definitely has that glue glitter included. I really want to see how this looks on over a black lipstick, so I'll be right back. I'm going to grab a black lippy. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. So we're going to try. I went ahead and used, I'm sorry, the shade Wolf. Yeah. Wolf by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a dark gray, so I thought that might be a fun one to play with. So we're going to use the same one, blue Onyx, on top, and see how I do. This is looking really pretty on top. I have to say, these lip glosses are really, really pretty. Off my teeth. But my goodness. They are really pretty. I have to say, yeah, these are definitely 2 thumbs up for me. I like how they, one dip is enough for both lips, and it gives you a soft, it almost feels like a cream liquid lip going on, but it's got the glitter, so it gives you that dewy finish, but it doesn't, you don't get that stringy, sloshy mess, sludgy mess, you know what I'm talking about. Look. Nothing sticky. No stringies. So yeah, let's do, the next one is Amethyst. This one I'm going to swatch on my hand. It's going to be the same basic effect. Actually, you know what, I'll wipe this lipstick off and I'll pop this on by itself, and then we'll do the next one that I'm going to leave on. So I'll be right back. Switchy. Okay, so this is Amethyst, and this is more of a pink one, as you can see. But since this is my second one, and I have to really scrub all that stuff off. My lips are a little bit red, so it's a little bit harder to see the amethyst, if you will. But it really gives it a beautiful shine and healthy glow. Don't mind my bun being an absentee mess back here. Anywho, so that is Amethyst, and now I'm going to put on my lipstick and final swatch over it, which is, which one is this? Not Blue Onyx. No, I'm sorry. Rose Rose Quartz, which is the last one to go on. And I believe this is going to look beautiful over my nude lippy for this makeup look. I'll be right back, bitches. Alright, and last but not least, we have Rose Quartz. And this is on top of my Kylie Jenner lip kit. It is Koko K lip liner and liquid lipstick. This is my favorite nude by the Kylie collection, the Koko K. I have a couple of the lipsticks as well as the lip gloss and so forth, but it looks absolutely beautiful with the Rose Quartz on top of it. So, work well done. Okay, so that's the 3 that I have with me. I believe there's 4. Hopefully they'll come out with some more, but here's the 3 that I have, and they're all 2 thumbs up from me. They are beautiful, and as far as the glitter goes, stunning. Again, legally they cannot say they're for eyes. I used them on my eyes and had no problems, but as a warning, it does say not for use on eyes. So your life and your eyes are in your own hands if you choose to do so. I love, love, love it, but I can't recommend it because I don't want to be held accountable. So yes, they're amazing and they're beautiful, and it's all on you. You make your choice now. So again, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. I love chatting with you guys. I always try and talk back with you, and you know, I love getting to know my little happy Jersey fam here. I have some amazing followers and subscribers, and I always love following you guys back to see what you guys are up to, because again, I love you guys so much. You are an amazing, happy little fam that we've built here, and I only want it to get bigger and bigger and bigger. And let's look out for one another and respect one another, and you know, give each other a hand up. And you know, it can't always be all about me, 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 me. You know, we gotta look out for one another, because this world is rough enough with people stepping on each other's necks and all the bullshit and drama and gossip and so forth. So let's be a happy, help each other out kind of family, you know? So, I know I'm getting mushy, but until the next one, guys, I love you guys, and smoochies. Bye.